Hello guys, I made a video some couple of days ago starting this new channel to teach science and mathematics. Welcome to Learn Mathematics and Sciences. In this channel I'll be hosting you, I'll be teaching you mathematics. So today we want to start from mostly for Nigerian students, secondary school students, SS1 to SS3. So I want to take the topic from SS1 using new general mathematics and this the YEC SSC syllabus. So I'll start from the topic numerical process. So in this class today, under numerical process, we'll be taking indices. So, and we'll examine today the first four rules of indices. I will try to solve all the exercise, the questions under these first four rules. So, and those rules are guides for us to be able to solve indices. So these are the rules. One of the first rule says when you have x raised to power of a multiplied by x raised to power of b, is going to give you x raised to power of a plus b. So that's the first rule. The second rule or law of indices is when you have x raised to power of a divided by x raised to power of b will give you x raised to power of a minus b. That is the first two laws or the first two rules. 3 is when you have x raised to power 0 is equal to 1, provided that x is not equals to 0. So when your x is not equals to 0, then anything raised to power of 0 is equals to 1. That is rule number 3. Rule number 4 is when you have x, yeah, this is my cleaner. So when you have x raised to the power of minus a, is going to give you x, going to give you 1 over x raised to power of a. So with these first four rules, I'm going to be solving some of the questions that we'll be dealing with today. So, and they are all in the exercise 1A in New General Mathematics textbook SS1. So if you open your book and you come across this, you will see these rules. So you can use this rule to solve all the questions there. So we have about 20 questions that we'll be solving under this exercise 1A. So, and I start with the first question. The first question says when you have x raised to power. Okay, the question is, let me write question 1. Question 1 is 10 raised to power 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4. It's according, so in this class we are starting with simple questions to complex questions, so just go along with me. This is going to help you if you follow along. So I want us to treat the syllabus first, then we'll now be treating questions as it comes. So but let's just do many exercises, and you can also go on your own and try some of these questions so you can master them while you follow me on this channel. So I'm solving this question using the first rule. So I could write rule 1. That's the rule that is applicable. Then I'll quote it as x raised to power a multiplied by x raised to power b, giving me x raised to power a plus b. So with this, I can now say, therefore, 10 raised to power 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 4 is equal to 10 raised to power 5 plus 4, which is going to give us 10 raised to power 9. It's as simple as that. That's the first question. So let's try and manage this space. I hope you can see my board very well. So the question 2, I will try to bend down. Oh, I don't know if you can get me well. So I will be treating the question 2 as a raised to power 3 multiplied by a raised to power 9. So using the first rule, which says x raised to power a multiplied by x raised to power b is equal to x raised to power a plus b. So I'm going to have, therefore, x a raised to power 3 multiplied by a raised to power 9 going to give me a raised to power 3 plus 9, which is also going to give me a raised to power 12. That's the solution for the second question. So since, let's do number 3. If you are following along, get your SS1 new general mathematics to follow along, solve them. With this, you can also check your answers at the back. Many of the questions and the exercises that we'll be treating have their answers written at the back. So my work or my job on this channel is to guide you to follow along and solve these questions. And if you are in SS1 now, you'll be able to like get your mastery before you get to SS3. So you're already a master, then writing WAEC, writing external exam will be very, very easy. So let's do number 3 question under the new general mathematics, SS1, indices, in the topic numerical process. So question 3 says 5y times 4y raised to power 4. So it's still the same rule 1 that follows in solving this question. So I code the rule as x raised to power a multiplied by x raised to power b equals to x raised to power a plus b I hope you are following. So this question, therefore, now we have 5y multiplied by 4y. These are coefficients of the unknown y. So the coefficients can be brought out separately while we apply the rule to the figure or to the letter. So let me write it this way: 5y raised to power, okay, it's 5y, okay, multiplied by 4y raised to power 4. I can write it like this: 5 times 4 multiplied by y multiplied, now by y can be what? This is raised to power 1. So I can have 1 plus, this is 4, which is 4. So my 5 times 4 gives me 20. Then 1 plus 4 give me 5. So I have y raised to power 5. So let's stop here in this video. So in subsequent video we'll continue with the questions. We are going to solve all the 20 questions. So I don't want this video to be too long, so that you enjoy the video. So thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in next video while we continue the laws of indices. Bye.